So here I am using the Lakme foundation, making dots on the skin and dapping it by a sponge. And now I am using powder to fix all the base. So now letting my base fix, I'm going to wear the dress which is stitched by mom from her old sari. And now taking red eyeshadow to put on my eyelid. And now I am taking Aladdin kajal and applying it. And also done with my eyeliner. And now I am taking mascara and applying it on my lashes. Now taking blush and applying it on my cheeks. And at last applying lipstick. And here I done with my makeup. Now wearing golden jhumkas, black neckband, bracelet and ring. And finally completed my look.